we are kwaba FM Mados TV. So said down the down in a year no. Time with the stars and once again yabo punimpo. Sa kasafoni so ide ba bebremo. Na ni nyina ne say on this particular show no, yetena say na ya stars ne de maba. Ne de matwetwe nkomo how they started, how they became and they became who they are. Na fe ya ha ko he babi o mabedru ene de ekọ. Enti once again yehia ne de enye den a star bi ne na hia ye ba be din kom ofia sa superstar me ne kasa efa ne hoyi oye obi a odi ne djuma e wo music industry ne mo oye rapper oye singer oye bibia ena enne ye be hiem e wo Mabados TV so a ye be din kom e fa na asem mo zen e fa ma Becky beauty parlor ma Becky beauty parlor na dia ye be hie ne ne shop a ye be din kom sa oba ma Becky hono ma pedicare medicare why care say emfa say o girlfriend bi kwa na pasa woni ne pie e kokọchele a say no anya fa we ka say na DJ yehwe na o girl no ho nya fa na den obetim de naba na ma Becky ene ne mofra no I no fresh o be no fresh we na say musi abonti a o say you ya dress o girl de ama in the meantime you try ho na fa ye ma ye ba ha ni ye ne ba twe nkomo no e de di betu bia na fa nkomo no asase ye try ho mra
Mabados TV
Me mama call be around Mabados TV. So na me ka wo session no so say Mabados TV no e online TV station a ye di adwuma e wo YouTube, Facebook and other social media handles no. Enti wo catch up na ye no abompuni po YouTube. Koko Mabados TV ye ba appear na wa subscribe ya. Dan na interview se be ye and e pa ye to nyina wo benya bi na wa hwe once again media me just one TV hwehwe yenko na afei abante a mene na bom punimpo kasafoni ni so yi mene ne kwa twem koma na yemisa ne nti enne obepiem sabri na sha no se me dika ka asa abante yi obi a oye hip life oye rapper eden afropop bibia oye but the main focus the whole focus kese e rap how no auto point no on so me de kasa harifo e ponches nko a e no moto enyo bibia dan miamia wabobra power music ne mo miamia Tony Montana na bebo me minim no Tony Montana yeso asasa ne din no esa so esa record label ti o didi foforo bi e ko no na afi ne record label na wakom no ade atudwa na ne dian kasa wafa no so no ade atudwa e wi se ne ntia ofa side no chairman
osu
atubam me mo akwaba e ba Mabados TV so aya no ma le no so ase
me Josu DJ
me ne mo abontia am voice ne mo dumbe du set
ase studio point na no nko what you say
what's the minimum cause I had
no point na kiki
minia and you be share Mabados TV so
true
in a very short moment no first of all e dey na o kan e dey from Mabados TV before say yakọ wo dey no so kra
chale DJ we dey me say me born tougher say dey o kana
yeah
Thursday ameti say chale Thursday ameti say Mabados TV aba na recording studio
okay
them di canteen first
okay
that time cry like o ka se mbi share ho no ma ye no didi nkombu fa program bi mu yeah ti mama ni je until later on cry na meti say my like online TV mama ni je ti na me cry eye ma ho keka say mo be frame me
okay
me tu onyo na me dream ni say chale one day o say mo frame me one day so me frame you ti me wo ho na no mo boss
the mama me mransa ena eye de na wa musa de ne ye ba ne de ne ye brebe ya asa na wo bai fra ye fra management na ye fra Tony ye sell brand new interview no Tony I am na ye sa
DJ oh wow ya we
yeah
so okura unim say chale the street hustlers no
yeah
we are the real hustlers
until na wo twie mu no
just sad
oye superstar
yo hustlers na chale real hustlers into tie gbasa no na say minya call free director was say can say opedate bi nanka chale Mabados TV no so na so no lie kema mu date the date ni kwa na dey share last Saturday
okay
but due to some problem
hey so that's the door so I guess if
you postpone it be do this Saturday until o frɛ ya na say me ni team any management no Mabados TV to nkra na mo de frɛ ye no eno nti and then say aba ye be kan ye brabo mu say how we started up to date
before Mabados TV ho na kura ho
you see punu bi safo e bi punu bi punu say kan say so tinebu ti Mabados TV ni dey chale ye for social TV no see online
yeah
ba ye artist ni ye be support mo ama de no ahwe TV station e hampo ne be bi no ye nkoye no anim ho no aka say chale say mu ye matu ye no ha ya tie so ye pushi mu
okay
edu
okay Tony in the meantime Tony ye nya upgrading we a new name no I am there say name to say fa waba ye nkom to the main agenda the entire ne me no wa bom punimpu o sa akasa fanyini so Tony e ka say Tony Montana why ni Tony Montana and I mean you know 111 the amount so be our fans no and the viewers be hu dey why any Tony Montana in the first place
yo me dance DJ like me kura me nya interview be like this
okay
free say me start music career me nya interview be like this nipa no be bisa me say how I started my co interviews be brave by how they ask me, you know, Charlie, and yet the way I work with me. To me, so much room after our platform with what my squad and will be home. But I am starting free, anybody I be dream. Tony Montana, you be a started GHS. Ewo SD. Wow. Wait me, I can say SD Krana music career and started. But that time,
I can't sorry SD.
I'm quite sorry SD.
Okay, yes, somebody. You're quite accident.
And you want to next started say a tray among for rap. Okay. Now, almost some books, music books, small ones.
Say 4 times stable, 2 times stable.
That's it. T only 3 quarter that time 4S4 or bra 4 prior more. Yeah. You got Nisia. Until me first tracker, like Ubi tracker, me tray P square.
Okay. Okay.
Tray. Until now, you starting now, Charlie. Me talk.
Yeah.
Or guy be honor. Like who said why you nam street no so I mean your friend Bandani
Bandani okay Charlie wa camera ho Bandani
oh yeah me main man me na tran ha twere rap say
wow
Bandani
wow ona na Bandani
me say no twere Bradford na me twere no twere Bradford na me twere sa me fie and that time it close to a pay ho no
okay
you know Obama ye bobre nyina call is deal be bobre ka na ya ba ho no ya be twere na I say nti ono metimi aka say onumpo started rap etro no anu o rap ejami
okay
kona me cancel last time ye freestyle wo Star FM ni na mu so tie free but that time na me started
okay
ti ba bia me started
yes na ka Bandani no future
yes
okay
because na ko no future clear than me obe ahead than me because ono started train no o rap ejami
okay
enti me metimi aka say me free SD na me wi ba di no e honom SD honom
okay
and started
free Montana started
free SD honom so ko say na you was some guy bi ho wa sabi wa kaba bi American actor a friend Tony Montana
so Tony Montana
Skyfish that movie no me she bibi ka krabi am say hey akwa no board to that time so na me father say obi a wasisu ha bia bo me father dia Mr Timothy obi a say Charlie Debu
Debu a referee Debu okay
the boy for the new crew nim no because no me gangsters anti me said akwa no board na me say ko de say mo camp papa say no say akwa so we board unti di no ma me fa
okay
me first side na me de to me ho so until later kra na the do panka be drop on a hit bi no tie no boy
so wonti a obetie
that time na ni sinsin mo rap no ade na me say hey panka na bo mi din wa until side di no so no na me say sandu well ya man fo so de e ko bia no
Tony Montana
ko bia no ti metimi aka se ba bia me de ade ni pie say me started rap na nkasa no ya Tebu secondary of education
okay
na me started train me own rap
okay
in the hode ye in the entertainment program timi kwaje mic na access so
okay
ba no so no enu anu no
okay
like ya nya ba bia say ya nya obi mane boa ye ya nya obi mane yesi
na ka hwa
nya koya wia that's it ade say next
na ye push mu yi oh
and this next time I will be last time me say nkomodidiem na no you be can say me say Tony we start here say nka oba hitia kadadadada me say nka wa hiti we hiti just strong man na me say dabi me who say strong man tire sa what the who say strong man first no start with commentary
yeah
that time kana me tire rap
okay
na me tie no
okay
yeah na me tie nti ye organizing entertainment na na akwaji man ni access so see asek di obi ani me said that time no dey challenge
that is Atebu senior high
Atebu senior high asek e o haye
that one am sumi
wie baby you see we me senior
way back na me na me compound of sia o
me betu nye oni kasi di mu ni senior ma ba go bero ha nti wonum chale ye ombo entertainment ni nya rap no wi a that's it Sunday ye kofie asa na edi pie bai ti edi pie bai na me wona mu say omo ye Star Entertainment we show your talent.
Yeah. Me kasa program.
Yeah, show that time before that no so na me hu say talent ni wo.
Okay.
Ti na me wo ha me twere na me say me so like me mom me father mu nyina mo ye farmers.
Okay.
Ti me kwa fum say ya na fa pen and paper.
Yeah.
Yes, shame.
O say o kwa don na akwada.
Paper and pen shame.
For the love of the game.
Na pen and paper shame ho. Ye adwuma na se me konyi ba bi tena. Na me so no me create wo me team before about paper so.
Okay.
Create wo me team before about paper so. Oh. Enti o ha na me twere enti me ti se makati.
Yeah.
Yeah, Makati. Yeah, Mac Nation.
Yeah, Makati, big shout out to you.
Yeah, big shout out.
Honestly, one of the biggest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Team it is so much quality entertainment.
Yeah.
Team last time me na market na me so mo ye no FM so na me say so ma start you. Team ye say the next time me ko.
Yeah.
Na me am say so mo san be for na me ko quality na me see.
Okay.
To unfortunately no my nya first, me nya second.
Okay. You were fortunate. I don't
know. But now
me monitor you. Me monitor. Any Panados. And now that was second. And yeah, you should be appreciative to God for what He has done for you. So it's not fortunate.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm a candidate. Unze, obviously you're fortunate more. But that what I was expecting.
Yeah, no, we target to know Yeah.
And Tieba Sano. And I second time, Messanko first.
Okay.
Misanko, unfortunately, my first, Missania second one.
What's that?
No, say no, yawa. But I still say working hard.
Yeah.
You go suka crack, and you complete by actually well, you hustle, yeah, make so the background in yet.
When I saw the stuff,
quiet, yeah, like I want to be about in you be say. Chalebia, oh, Miss Senior Man show, Charlie, Senior Man show, Mr. Ned, and watch him 20 Ghana. You need side, you need. And they carry one CD now, till they came two CD now. And this will be whom will give me no cassette, Charlie, Ubayachi, Charlie, what will it be an abbey? I may fire, I may be through her and import Timidino. It be an anchor, she said, 1 hour far. Yan every cranker who is 7, an anchor and 2 deep class, and I'm pessimistic.
Yeah, over to us upon.
Because Charlie, Yabre. Okay. A bread system in your neck.
Tony, what kind of story? No story, very touching to me. Attaching me. As I said, I meet my kind of say, my name interested in your management for floor. Womb, fine, I don't know yet. But so when you be at the mechanic say, me pass Tony Montana be you ha. Na man for fall man. Na omoba. Ebe one be pushing on. I man it me call any son say talent will be there. Yen can so start yache and kobeja and kojai. On hete ya onyaye. And Tony, pruminim na ye hwemi enti e wo say obidi ne sika ebe show say obo Tony Montana amaneti me kono ye wi beba odi na kasa so ti yen ko ba me freestyle
me ma o Tony Montana no
oh man o Tony Montana
no pe Montana
me old no ti me old me ba new one say me ma me no so ne di nti ma me old one ne
en ko ne say ma me mic na me kama sem da chia sem ti nya dia me di atem se mo benya ka me dem pom nes mo e twan searching gam magensem I'm just talented from above umpia me adu men tweme san me nka osum mudo me hunu han so ompem asem de ya wafum kwan hey I don't care what you go do na mo we bia I'm still Tony Montana mo ho mo ho se mo ye good jam money bet no na 6 meludu punches ni dope level stay
jawa beto amade ache go rap no we talented we too talented jawa ade beche Tony man not to be ho I didn't say or rap. I had a punches. I didn't no problem.
No be any problem. I don't know problem.
Everybody because you see our freestyle my crown. As I would punch other people. I
say like Sana Sako de by the Biano Mocase. As I obey the Bia or Yanuma. As would do be at them like you don't know system anymore. Until like when you are rapping now. Rabbi say you are against your opponent, and you say only will beef. Yeah. But aside Abrabumun sem, aside love message. Yeah. Say hip hop say like we be or hip life na hip hop asibiano. Like about punches. And like throwing punches to opponents. Ana ko yeba anya say bia.
And to be wom.
Yeah. To be any.
Na say game na ni so.
Game na ni so no.
Okay. Na say we be rapper there.
Yeah.
So we say anytime bia no opponent. Oh problem. Like mushia mo vibe. Na say enwum no da bia mo
utimi punch me ncho utimi punch kwa na obi tinche o say ponchi dey say be be obi tima ka say ponchi am ponchi dey ade market no dey na si ando no dey na
udi no dey just ended Best House Awards here by year unya stage no ebe fro ye e perform here
yeah
eno no free ho a me am sanso organizing program after high school program
yeah it's true
I can't remember say me MC wo ho
yeah
sanso unya stage no fro ye
yeah
na o rap no when you full stage no na o ponchi at obi me fancy me body in street only the blaze problem ana maybe would because my notice I did 2 times after high school you were punching the guy Best House Awards you were punching the guy looking at the guy straight why are the women in my life
Charlie that time so way dark would we say money what the blaze black bizarre
Bibi I don't know problem
nothing she need them they no mama tell
okay
Best House Awards na meje best rapper no
yeah
eko one of the boutiques ana ye kwa koto you know my way me ni ko sia o say ya ba me dikan ja na obeto me no was abi o to ni na that time na me sisa branding no
yeah
na me o ni vibe me say na sia ya o kan ho asem na me ni ko sia wa crown fi ni entem
yes anyum no
I told you before say and he said oh he said everything I can't really problem me kura like sad no
yeah
there be am can say o de me ho asem si utima wo mum na wo ha wo ho ana wo hu
that is said you can this me dem so wo de nyum nti na wo yo yes bia wo no problem bi nti bia me so be shame to me say me dem no personal problem na me but also the nyum no
say for example say bia say the bless their city team say me no be fa on kwa betra ho adwen say na dey na my guy wo so hu say onya na hwe that's it onya me hwe
na say nyum na no
me ni obi anya beef say o look at hyper there me utru bakra me fa e koduru top ho wi a ye beefu ana de cash aba na ha ya nyina ye de pimpimi na woni be beefu da be
so tell about be that say what class house na man for ante sade na say including me na me sorry no personal beef but no one clear mama do
someone told me other time someone told me other time
say mama do si there ye twi artist ni ba hey upompo e be yi de o ma pie say what say ti ma yi ba kwa pie am ye wo say only the bless ni pro na ye nwom ni ti na na o ye ne say okay ye ko akwa pre Best House Awards the last edition twa we
yeah
we know we need
best rapper
of the year na what to municipality
true before that no there was say am or true sir question am say me answer I say before say ye ba be contest on that award
yeah
na mene Best House wadudu
yeah
na me no mo nenam
yeah
enti award no kwa nominee no
yeah
I say oh nominate me on sir best rapper no I wasn't aware
okay
I wasn't aware until like me say me who ya na flyer na about
okay
into nominate me under 2 nominees okay. Best rapper na new artist
okay
until like fortunately no like me who say baby adene kono ma who say fans no support to best rapper than we
new artist
ko mu who say me new
okay
but I say some due to some problems in tina people who say me new but me new
yeah
ti me who say me fans no focus on sa best rapper of the year ti me kwa no who say like mu true ayi bi say o person mu hu number of votes are
you are more interested because that time so me manager artist be am person me hu dey e go am time family na here
that's it
yeah but unim before that no I mean more Best House Intimate Awards for now I will see you wadudu ventures in fact o ma yade say krokesie ti see na obi anya awards no mo committee ba so ba be ye de nyame hiro mo ya nyina o mo yes side with the ana artist and the industrial personalities na kupo share Best House Entertainment for nyame hiro wadudu nyame hiro mo koso nya wate da bia mo fa da from na entimi nya fe 22 aso ne ko
ti e ba ne sa no mo bie mu a mo na me say Charlie sa fans no da so time achi because say mi hu say nam town a say dini dey o mo start boy yende ona no mo bo o fa no mo bo e dini dey o mo bo ba na mi nim say yes obetimi ase ni tika say 50% square na the top credit obetimi dey eja
yeah what you carry afro again
yeah ba mo bie mu no na mi hu say Say saba bia me won. Omo bie mu a me hwe first ayi na me nam. Me senior ma this stone.
Okay.
MTN office this stone. Ono kura mum.
Okay.
Ena ko bia de say chale ye de ade na beto best house na wa hwe na me si da bi me hwe.
Okay.
No se ko hwe. Me ko hwe mu na me nam 100 and
in front to ja. Na wako
na me o da me ba o. Me de be visa o vote na me ka. 100 and something.
Okay.
Ba na omo ye ND.
Yeah.
Voting no.
Okay. Now other people know what they say.
Chale me chem 3 kro mu nya half.
Wow. Na say what say?
Yeah, no so do no because ba bia na me nam na me hwe de odi machi no.
One know what's a category.
Mudes.
Wow. Mudes ya. Wow.
Na
onso ohene na manage Mudes die.
Why?
Ohene na manage no.
Minim da.
Na Benz. Oyo ohene wa manten. Em say oye nifa hene se bonko hene. Odi ne. Odi mu power manten. Nti say such a person what me yina but that's why
Tell gabo am the man nya small gabo.
Yenko de yenko. Na ye Mudes he.
Mudes na guy bi I mean you fin di ne kakra o DJ.
Na say gang bi gang na.
As a gang na. As a men's gang.
Men's gang, yeah,
as a men's gang.
Men's gang, yeah. Omo fi Kumasi o.
Yeah, straight up. Me kai so mo perform here.
I
saw them. Omo you good pa. Na Mudes nso you good.
Yeah.
By the king and castle.
Na say una we nyina king.
We nyina king.
Na say
omo arega Mudes no. Well, I quite remember now your campus. Yeah, breaking my guy be free amount. That be a veneniko. Yeah. I say me award no one day am me say. I be that you ko be say artist ni say. Oh, we net say.
Net say.
That one the man no.
On this note, I me say Tony. Nti wo wi na award ni we no. Atim ha say. Wo was so ha na. Rappers no obi no
Krum ha dabi o de ko town na ko busa
na say Atim ha de
me say ko town na ko busa
na say rappers wa Atim Amanti municipality
rapper be kire me I DJ hwe ma rapper bi mpie no ma rapper bi a me na hia one on one sia ti say me clear me marry one on one say me rapper bi hia one on one sia watimi awe ne me
say woni ne hia de wonnim no ntu nim the capability but the only na share
bia no ma meda no bisa obi a
yes king of rap Atebu and say bia best house for Toma woni ade
I deserve it.
Okay mate ye wie ho no masem ye mra o say nem say me bu ne tot one by one ye mra o label no so first ye hu say na woni nam best house owuram kakra no apie kakra beduru abi na ma hu say obi ye fly o say best house artist na to ne montana dia bam ni ade when you sign under Best House Records label.
Best House as let me start it
this like way. Yeah.
Wadudu.
Yeah.
Was my best friend.
Okay.
Before say almost started the organizing. Yeah. Almost started. No, best friend.
Okay.
And you know, before say was starting.
Yeah.
No minimum dada.
Okay.
No minimum dada. Me artist too.
Yeah.
No, so event organizer.
He was a friend.
Yes.
Okay.
And before say me so best start music career, no later.
Okay.
No, so best start. Before say you started Atibu meet Amanti. Many maka Timon na sa Amanti guys. That time can no me sure say no started.
Okay.
But that time me can started that. Yeah, me raps me battles. Yeah. No ma co battles be twice cry was start FM. Okay. Till later no best started say you know o program bia o de me to so frame no de me ato so. Or frame no de me ato so. Oh, last time we call ye jimpo. Or de me call ye o programs be bring so one why no ha bia me wa around bia de. Or de me to so. Enti o mu na nu ya na e ba be ya wo so.
Yeah.
Na no frame so chale that Kwesi Links
yeah.
Na Mr. Leno
yeah.
Na me I ko pese ke ba sa reculable na
me pese we clear ways no mo bia ti ase what did you called you didn't go to what did you called you masa clear the ways because what did the very video
that you say makono ho say on manage me
no me che say ye kind of how I ko wura o ko na sekakra o say wan che ho ye nyen so wan che ho how you went to him how you went under Best House Record label no when the friend Nyanko did you go to him so on bow and on the friend was sebra na be wura ni label na say
man kono ho
okay
me dey me say makono ho say o manage me dey
that nice now call her as a friend
yes
you were close to him as a friend
yes
when the day label na sem buy
label na sem ne dey asem na me ka kire wo no ho no o ka kire me say sa Kwesi Links
yeah
Mr. Lennon
okay
o pese nka o manage me ensam
okay
Oh. You be signed as a recordable. And like any paper and pen be as a move.
Okay, verbal.
Yeah.
It was verbal contract.
Oh, paper be anywhere see me do what to say. More best house.
Yeah.
And sanity. This are no kind.
Okay.
And first of all, so my recorded any track.
I wanna sit.
Because we say my release track be I wanna see. To my recorded wanna see.
Yeah.
And he say like what can say what do one can see much ruby.
Okay.
Charlie say kwa me say me ma officer kwa bruchi.
Yeah.
Na say one man na say kwa me say sa no ne.
One man.
What do one
na say o ka sebra na munya aduma. But o ko na so kodi how many months? What do how many months?
Yeah, be 2 months.
Be 2-3 months. Wanya adhia fi na say. Wanya recording bi an fi na say.
Oh, manya recording bia.
Okay. Manya recording bi an fi na say. Na say aduma na say na mo ye no 50-50 bisa no. Na say mo ye no kwata bisa no. Your mic ni ye watale ni ye na ja.
Okay.
Ye hena mic ni ye fe yo superstar. I mean dress kakra.
Dress DJ.
Etiro ye to so na fe ye ko say wanya aduma bia wanya recording bia.
Oh, manya recording bia.
Okay. Nti ye dey na ofi na say.
I quite fast free honum the sen kwa me sia kan.
Okay.
Yeah, best house best house no mo ye no.
Yeah.
We say like no mo ye omu di kan ye flyer
okay.
na be 2 out.
Okay.
We say no na
yeah.
me picture was so hu ya.
Yeah.
Till later no mo ye we jingle.
Okay.
The jingle no.
Okay.
Sa jingle no say wo won tisi na buti a. My name wasn't in.
Yeah, artist.
So kaya.
Yeah.
Oh, that be with the so kaya.
Ni jingle na kasa mu. But now do a flyer no so.
Me di on flyer no so. And a flyer no so me di wo so no so. Ai jingle na me di ni so no so. Artist na o se wasan ye no mu me no din wo. Na de ntina me din nim. Installe no din wo.
Okay.
Kwesile din wo.
Okay.
The bless.
Okay.
Dinwo.
Nice.
Me sande no kra to nchen a. ATB guys na.
O se ka wom.
Enye no kra sat. ATB guys na ne ye wo flyer no so nyina no. Ba as amantinfo ne yegifo no. Omumu na ase na bi mudin ka ho.
Yeah.
Mo flyer no so ba ATB guy bi ani ho a no ye artist na wo flyer no so ana ne din ne jingle mu.
Okay.
Na de ntina me wo ha na me sanye under wo rekulubu na wa ye jingle na me din.
Okay.
Enti first no be me ba se me kaza intimate no radio so
okay
timi ye se me santi ti time me imagine se me santi that time I was busy intima nya time timi hwe na sa time na twam na me friend so on Sunday ayi ni ma me ti na me tie na me hwe me din ni mampa
okay
na me ye ni voice me se me ntwere me ye ni voice na me voice manager asa jingle ni me din ni mo na ba ni sen
to bisano
bisano se ya wo ayiwe ni mu ihu se wa be ready ama comment bia ti uma na say me friend phone so last time bi am pick later na me san friend bi no pick na me say na no me ye ne voice bia say manya reply bia ne ba ni sen na we say what the jungle no koma obi na ye na oye wie no like why say wa twere ana say yeah say jingle dey like be list wa list e dey money pa no na onim say nipa na yi mi dey free ma DJ hwe obi wo adwuma na so munye jingle ma me metimi akoye jingle no dey akoma radio say o mombo na o moment yi
say me tia ba bia mistake o meka ma ya correct
na say no kan ne ani fine
okay na say according to na ebuapayo no say that yi wudi ni free
eno dey mintimi nkyere say ebuapayo dey DJ hwe
na me dey push you to the na say na ebuapayo no say that yi wudi free
eno dey tu eno side ni say ebuapayo dey a mintimi nkyere
okay
ba na bia me to man side na think say e bia o hia me biem tina yeah ena ni human being so dey say wo ho say o tu no ma bia say
and na say
o actions no the actions be o
speaks out and well na say the way no ma say no he doesn't value your presence in his label no
yeah, sure.
You know so far who had fast as a sharp artist no
because
now moving on
me start rap and sana wono ba be start entino say nyankopon ache me talent doesn't mean say manage me
okay
say me jama the management na manage me na kill me talent no yeah because me say nyame na jama me
okay
You see what talent in Yamina de Mao. You chow from Crowdia. Aha, you chow from Crowdia. And this I was so managing was so managing Bima. Timinjama would and kill me. Yes. Yeah, Punu be to a Punu be.
So I'm calling you label so. Who under label is here?
And the label nedia.
Okay.
You need probably more team come. But I was a miracle label no. Me did that so.
Yeah.
But I say secret society.
But on the dean the same.
Only dean.
New branded name.
Oh, there. Me new branded name here. Kweku curfew.
Kweku curfew.
Yeah, Kweku curfew music.
Why Kweku curfew? I don't know what.
The kwachi ara. That's how
so they so was it the kwachi. I also kind of Kweku curfew a keke.
Okay. That is like Kweku Kinata. Also keke. Me Kweku curfew no.
Okay.
Kweku is my name.
Okay.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Okay.
Nti dey be frame Kweku.
Yeah.
By curfew no.
Yeah.
Said e bia a sound wo asu. Yes, sound and meaning that be. Yes, e bia mo ba be da 66
Okay, Tim.
Me curfew ni ye.
Yeah.
We say DJ show ti we.
Yeah.
Minim from your start there. The o start here no. Say no man ko yi minim say omo be do ye kakra bi. Up to now pra me no on the dango me dia by say sebi artist bia.
Yeah.
Men can say bia like me value me hu say me low and say by me underground.
But kiti we say say do we.
Yes, he say
we kiti no e bia na e more day say bia nka o de be 20 people be do a chia ba o. Into the 2,000 so near come.
Me in my present life is here me. It's my mom, my dad, my sisters.
Okay.
And I'm friends here, me no more abai.
Also sisters, are they onkwa na ye be ma o.
Onkwa na me be ma. Ye ba ko 5.
Na say utimi ye ode.
Me timi de enya me de. Me timi me da tell kan come be de me aso. Me second.
Okay, you know asem boy.
Some de mo bo no po.
They
say my for so abusia na gu. And they said they akoye no. Curfew na say na me kire sa no.
Me ti o pa me nia.
The curfew no. Like say the ya me ti ha I'm nobody no. We say few people care of me.
Okay.
So when I make them, I will care about that few people now.
Okay.
The curfew no. You mean in our church short.
Okay. Nese. Ninya nese.
So obi timi ka say se menya sika me mu bia kakra mpo. Se menya sika me de nyina be de boba kuhwi we ma jampim du 10,000. So ma me ne papa. I didn't think on ka so de be ma me ne papa.
Okay, obi a wone.
Yeah. And no doesn't mean say me tan obi ana say me mbo obi o.
Okay.
But when say there was some people's be ho. Hu ni ko na ta obo u dwade kure say o de ta obo mu na be pick ko no.
Bi o so chill ko ho.
Na me yari nwa sama ko pick. On sa de sanity. Ti sa few people's na me from wa ta obo mu dwade mu timi ta obo mu ko pick me ko no. Sa people's na sa so na me so me ya mo. Ti that's the case you know.
Asem de no an waka no me kwa sa na me ya no. Ma me bi so asem ye the interview no ko na we ya no. But enne onkomo no points ni wom. Usa wona ahosem doso. Ti se me nya o de ami nya.
Ahosem de doso that.
Ahosem doso. Ma me say wasem we. How is your new label treating you? O jai obi a be fa wo nko a wo ho no. Ahochire wo. Ti say treat you say.
Usa before that me can catch us say time I start here no. Ah me can say ye koye rap battle. E wi ya ba fie. Ye ni management, ye ni hwe hono ma ya nyu obi am na nso mu. Eno nti no bi hu ya wo se wo TD na che. But still as hu ye say ya ndagis. Ha sanity but obi hu o mmem ya won ti de ekọ na se. Unse me catch us say ye kwa ya na ye ko ya na ye ba no. Ye ni obi a say ye fa ha ya nya ihia bibi ye fru bi no.
Yes mo na mutimu nya mu dede
da bi.
Mo we ma dwo dada.
Yeah.
Na me ka na mutum mo ko so.
Yeah, street hustlers. Real hustlers obi a o ATB ha bia. Boto ne muntana. Hu se o ya artist, but san hu se o ya hustler. Ha, enti ye no ebia na hu se unso obi a the same person a wo ye music, uni manager. The same person a o san hustle. E dia ye o no ma bi de hu se be din kakra.
Apart from music no ye dey.
Apart from music no, me a student.
Ewa he.
Ewa at the College of Education.
Wow, level saying?
Level 200.
This ain't your business coming and you ain't so near to me. What ala baba. Ala start. Ala
the magic bida.
And I'm gonna say beba more no start DJ loan the pursue music.
David.
Step it is level 200.
Oh, I take.
Wow. Yes, also so entertainment in the Kosopan.
A Kosopan.
Kosopan man, and I say, I'm more entertainment in Mana.
Omoye mami.
And I'm more entertainment in more, man. I'm fair for no entertainment.
A group as on.
That's what tell when because now we'll bread.
Yes, I know me party. Na saa cool ebu ni so a o na o me ni udi hu komo sisia no me ko yes no ma hu difference bi a minya wo mu enti wo so le me party enti ha so ma te me ho a me sa me beka say me free dede mu hu akwanyu ni mu
yes o so na etina
okay ye da form that anti insura ya si
ma me bi se wasem na ye for interview ni ko na wi anasa anyu do se na wo so far anyu do
se for now the my release there. We say you can release bia. That demos there no be 5.
Be 5.
But the my upload I what net so there YouTube.
Okay. Na shows, obo shows.
Oh me bo shows.
O kan when you start o career about shows be say.
Je meet me kan
about saying. What do you 100?
There be 100 them do
10.
Be 15.
Okay. Why are they say adjuma dey san at you? Why are we adjuma? Okay. They don't know so one ma o album.
There be me.
I feel now we work on that. Okay. So na yen for interview no Emre we na asa na e ba na we no yen ko ni say. Wo te o ho no. Eniema ekoyi because first na enkoyi da bi nti wo te o ho no wo fa ne sa wo hwese bibia be fine ama otimi akọ anim.
Yeah.
Up and coming artist omuni and the label bia no. Edie na wo ka che o no. Edie ginje o ama matimi akọ anim. Na second question is say Abrante bi din bubo pie say friend Nana Bright. Why you say ntwiri ni?
Bright.
Yes no manage. Nti we dey call. Ne wo ka che artist ni wi a me ba sa komo no so because enso hia pa. Enso ni na mfamom. Nti yen ko no so.
Artist there say wo ye under G na say wo ba dia. Fa ne say game no e ye wo a.
Okay.
Because say see no I mean clear no is under G nti a say. So obi be so mu say opese o manage you and now push you a. Ade say wo artist no o for so push you who do level
B. Yeah. And correct.
Well, o dey share artist like me man for one question Kwaku Flake.
Yeah.
Now me share interview. O say before say o drop your week no.
Yeah.
Ono a ene piska. See bet kra no di na odi kutia wenika.
Okay.
Na utwa video. Enti utwa video na o say sa BKC with that management who say sa Ghana na ni ambre. Ono me fa enti sa BKC no o say na omosumpo no onya sa money no.
Okay.
No di blue ya ene afa money. Enti we ye underground a fa se wadu na dey say abropa akra na be kwa kudi a kudi na fa push brand na kodu level bi ba bi onipa hu se ba bi wadu no wani ambre no so mu a ommoka ansa na nipa ni ambre because you say no wiase obi aye adwuma pemfa so
ene correct it is
enye easy so obi ba be so mu sa grass we mu utale wa feed bi okra hu se yes anso na ena da bi anipa ka se like bi mu potimi ka se menye serious bi mu timi ka sa se no bo mu ka sa se me asema be unni me personal life mu nti se wo ka bibi na se ha me a medwin se tale wonim de ekọ nti na nipa na kan se obi timi ka bo se chale yakwa na wonye serious na me se hey me serious na ba bia me na me de abeduru ha no na wo fa ha ka wa yira
so statement o time about so na fa ha
because chale ya ni adi o
it's funny
me see ya ni adi ya bombe bu a
kan gudi dada nti wo ka che up and coming artist mo obi a na ba mu obi anye no mo
ba wo ba ye wadwen se wo be ye adwuma de push you ho de aduru ba bi
afo anim tu obi
so aduru ba bi na nipa no so mu na oboa wa ko won ntimi nante artist won ntimi nante aha
okay ma membra when Nana Bright or life kakra bi tu just
Bright ono so ye my friend da na me ne ye adwuma like eno no de me ana me call no ho
okay Nana Bright
on de me ana me call no eno ono
say that we can call no
aha eno ono so no o say childhood friend o my friend that
okay
aha we me
who video abone ana
me video abone
Bright no video abone
ba me sia no ha
okay
na ono no before say me can no ono no ni nua eye me friend
okay
ono Bright ni nua eye me friend nti nam sa ono ni nua so na me hu Bright
okay
oh aha until last time I'm call no say ono no so ade ba ko na e ma me yen say uhu artist na nam hona na ni gye ho
okay na so opeso
yes na ni san ginyum ho
okay
na ni san ginyum ho pa until last time ka tell say omo ye say last time ka say bitimi ya na mabam kura bu say ada na me ha me ho music ho because say me make it no ka say omo ye bibi sa kura na say hu say me nka ho a na ye ne ya because hu talent ne kura me na say yeah hu bi say na ye ne ya until that time na me ka say and the say be sa dia and the management
okay
be sa management na ne ye no na I say hu say me kan sa na kire no that doesn't mean say no ntina wanya me hwe o like onye so yem bibi wanya me hwe
onyanya foundation
yeah onyanya foundation
ya o hawa san so akoton
yeah obetumi like mbetumi de me how asan akoka won ne how no ho
ene ho kwa na wo bo
aha nti me hu say like ebe hasa na de how be ba nze esan so ame so me pressure na say me person because be hu say wo colleague artist ni management e push no ame ba be how ba sa wan hwe kura wani bebre abe ka say tele be ya me njan nti me hu say that de ne ko na me ka say tele si na ne ko no maye yen kati ade no off na yehu kwan foforo aye be fa so nti that's it no
na say woni na nko
o dabi me no dabi
say be sin na on the vibe
sa
to ne wonye sure say artist no ungratefulness ntina aya na manfo bi na person dom sika be show mu no because you know enam say a verbal contractor and say denye written contract ntino woni ne ya koduru ba bi na say bibi start say e ba na ofe wo say why oga why master wo so odwane jaw woni so say ntina ama ye mu bi mpese de mo be wura me bi
say me ntwa no like obia ne yafuna e wo no
okay
aside music no kwa na wo mo wo ho a omo you ungrateful
okay
and the service wo mbu mo wire kura obi bo mo mbu mo wire obi ne di obi free ni nua free babi omo free se beni o se ye ne ba ye se sia no ayekoro ba ye no oyi na ma ungratefulness ne de wo obi wo yafuna wo nipa no na kire se nipa onyi nipa ya na se o yes ba me to my side no me nyanya obi a wa she da ka se opese o manage me say like my previous years na make an me nyanya obi a o se chale pese me manage you na mayi na ma me ni sa life me ni sa di ni bi wo mu ti to me man side no de me nya so se metimi ai
mo say o management ne brena ne nyanduru ye brena du akase na
ba that's it me sa na me dwen no
Tony me da se pa se oni mabompu ni po Mamados TV so say dem dey kan no once again hi Mamados TV a online TV station na oko YouTube now subscribe ya videos e twagui ubenya bi na wa share just go to YouTube type Mamados TV hit on the subscribe button na subscribe bibi e koso bia no ubenya no wa share once again media me just one DJ Shoshe together with my team no K1 ewa ha and other people Millie GH Kagawa mo nyina ewa ha se a e production work nya e dey bremo na Tony ye be ko kefu ye ba be ko ye ba be ko edi na wo ka kire
the Tony ni de uhum ya betimi de afre ba ko la na ko chime nyuma na wo ko kefu
na so ande me ko ho no etino edi na wo ka kire o friends a oni o munam sisi am no ka say o fans a o support from day one a o go support o bi kakre do wi a o social media handles na da tuja na ja ye den ko batwe ni nyina abane wi
okay that's DJ Shoshe yeah sale me fans ne de so le wo ka no nze na me ka say me ko he ya mo bie sa vote yin na squad na vote na ye me nwanwanku na I don't think say me nya sa number of vote ni kura da me hu so sa o mo do me afi nso na ma hu say sa na adwuma na mo ye no sale me say obitimi hia me kan sa se we tell me say Tony ade ni waja ko that time no mo hu me say ma ja rap no but na that time hustling no so e ka
na wo de ato ka
mitimi kokofo dia mitimi ko sha kra chale me da ba down di sa anti mitimi aka say school nkura me ko ye na agima tana ha mitimi aye no a ka barista nkura me nia yeah anti chale me support o mo so do mo support me na me so mpo mo so mo keep support me na me say one day e be movie yeah ko ha de entana ha e be movie
na mo do ba ye no say mrante fefe bi wo
yo IB wa this stone
IB no why oye den
IB
what's your designer bi
she takum chale wo takum designer ba ko wo ATB ni around enye ATB ni around kura metimi aka se Ghana o hwe nyuma bebere wa ya ba bi o free ba ya nyuma bebere wa ye ni online ko hwe di go online
yes Mamados TV kura na ya nyuma bebere
Mamados e nyo ne ana unya nyuma DJ Shoshe. It's okay, Baba.
Because me tie for
I didn't know that you know ma we do everywhere.
Because me tie for
I mean yeah no yeah ma we do everywhere. We go Kenya so
big shout out to you Ivy. I go boy you very na. So what me mado say adwuma kwa dey I say o level was we go you obi akeke na fa ma dey adwuma o. And this Ivy and yeah designs nyina dey Ivy in fact o ye je o bo adwuma. O ye link up o person design bia dey ma wa. Say o flyer say obi bia branding we artist o person bibi o person we o dey link up. DJ Shoshe me da Ivy no be ma na na ye adwuma. Na adwuma e fa pan ye nyama nyina o na ye ma ye. Oh mama those TV.
Oh they say na my mom.
Okay.
On so ye me die hard fan ba ko pe me ma do wo me. E fe ni Chris Jambia.
Okay.
Na me nua ma me ladies day na ye ba be sasa wo so. Un say ladies bi kura na omu kura me bana.
No mo ho fa pa.
Me nua ma no.
Wow.
Nua ma no. Tell you mo support me din. Na sa aibi.
Okay.
Na this stone. Me nim say as time goes on, me say no man to toy ba me say no man to ya.
Catch this stone say. Yes, say we are more MTN. Can say free no come pese my account be dry.
They be on pushing too more
credit.
Credit keke.
We dem piska, we don't charm credit.
Credit dem me tell because me dey no charm na bro.
Who say you
MTN for na etimi taa so no mo asan.
Ate wa dey.
Ti message bia ma.
Who say you mama do skill yes you here.
Yeah. Mo bu bia ha.
Nti ewi a we mo nyima number now dey. Dan nyina on pushing it but about to nipa o eni shia de o se ne me vibe obuade na ni da ho
chale me ne nante anyende
na mi shia wate sa wo share video ni bia Nyankopon shia koso ya adwuma nyam be bo akakraka chale social media handles na fe yenko
social media handles ne de Kweku Curfew Facebook
okay
ana ni nyina Kweku Curfew ba bia be YouTube
Kweku Curfew
Instagram
Kweku Curfew Facebook Curfew
I mean spell Curfew no dey obi na sa obi say
camera na spell mo amene
Kweku no okay KWEKU ana Curfew ni KEFFEW
okay
that's it Kweku
Curfew here be call can we tell those team no
me said the first time na me di kan betena TV station ani na me di kan describe me tell Charlie mon support mon subscribe mon push na you move it to the top you na say movie a me say mama those TV movie a ATB to the world and yeko mo the artist ni nyina ekoro no because sisi mama those TV movie top a me nim say ye nyina interview say ye nyina mo nyina so ye bekwa go subscribe na say ye bekwa kohwe that time wo ho mbe hu how I started even that time kra na majedo na majedo mama those
Kensaf see you or class
yeah big ups to him
and Tiwa one of the entertainment pandas Mamadou TV Noah so one of your presenters so Mamadou TV has say K1 camera and then production team no on na bibia sha what I say we are your military to ho your kaga ho omo nyina eka ho ene Mamadou TV and Mamadou's group of companies. Can we check team you na fi monitor you?
The team you na keep on supporting you. And our team now body ni so say artist bebre wo.
Yeah.
Yeah, we artist be a minimum more support you no. So let mun keep on support you. Na yes we keep on support mo. Like ye dey adwuma bi abremo a mo so mo nye. Say be a featuring na na bi a chale. Na DJ Shen so we number 1 course. Minimum ba bia woni me free.
Yeah.
Ko me kai we be a last I can tell me kura won kai.
Me kai.
But after this interview be a obeti. Hey, now you were teaching at one of the schools be.
Okay.
Now me first be one number.
Okay.
Ko kai me say me can see be ba the later you di hon komo. I keep on supporting you kin one and then the squad Millie DH and I one ti wa squad ni nyina. Tell me support mo. You need a crew Kweku Curfew Empire. The time ati.
Okay.
Di bam.
Okay. Chama je. Atubam. All right, nice interview no na dey call we. Say the catch you say aha I am Mamadou's online TV, YouTube TV channel la. O subscribe also be nya bi ahwe na bi atima ko ye ade ama. Ye de duma de nyina ba na we wa ha. Me da wase say oje bre, wada aje obi bia, say obi bia ehwe sa interview e course. Kweku Curfew me no ebo mpunimpu awo sa kasafoni ne so yi. Once again, I'm to eche mo hwam. Enfoma bushafo ni nyina, me am father Mr. George Driso, first no at Government Hospital. Then me chawu ni wan kameni ho. Amen chia atoba for workers nyina. Those team ni nyina ken staff anotewa Noah K1 omo nyina me chia mo. Ye brain it be see ase. Once again me dia me this one DJ Hwehwe. Ye best am so share that for. Down with the stars near the abrem. Ya kro bibia. Bye bye.
Just sorry now me phone Who's on the line? Talk fast, I'm chilling.